Hello friends. In this video we will discuss about Ragi health benefits. Holistic breakfast food. Ragi comprises a vast array of key nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin E, B-complex vitamins, iron, calcium, antioxidants, proteins, fibers, sufficient calories, and useful unsaturated fats. Supports gluten-free diet. Ragi, being organically gluten-free, can easily be substituted for wheat. To prepare chapatis, dosas, and sweets or mithais, and is often recommended for patients with celiac disease. Fortifies bone density. Finger millet, being a fantastic source of natural calcium, strengthens bones in growing children. It also restores optimum bone density in older people, assisting in alleviating osteoporosis symptoms. Keeps blood sugar levels in check. Finger millet, although being high in calories and carbohydrates for instant energy, also comprises a plethora of phytates, tannins, polyphenols, plant chemicals that slow down the digestion process. Treats anemia. Ragi is a powerhouse of iron, serving as a boon for people who experience low hemoglobin levels in blood, thus effectively treating anemia. Boosts nervous system function. Eating Ragi in controlled portions on a daily basis assists in enhancing nerve impulse conduction, activating memory centers in the brain, and relaxing the mind due to elevated levels of the amino acid tryptophan. Augments heart health. Ragi is completely devoid of cholesterol and sodium, so recipes made with Ragi flour can safely be consumed by those with heart ailments. Furthermore, the abundance of dietary fibers and vitamin B3 or niacin help to enhance good HDL levels and diminish bad LDL levels. Contributes towards child's nutritional needs. The comprehensive nutritional content in Ragi makes it a perfect food for meeting a growing child's ever-expanding nutrient requirements. Ragi for IBS. IBS refers to irritable bowel syndrome, a commonly occurring intestinal disorder that causes unbearable pain along with abnormal bowel movements, diarrhea, flatulence, and constipation. Please consider subscribe. Thank you for watching.